Welcome back to the presidential popularity contest. Yesterday, we asked you who you thought was funnier, comedian Stephen Colbert or President Donald Trump. And by a score of 58 to 65, it was Colbert. Trump loses. Also, that'll knock him down to an approval rating of 45%. All right, moving on. Today, we got Andrew Johnson taking on Herbert Hoover. Who do you think was a better president? Andrew Johnson or Herbert Hoover? Which one of these two do you think did it? Andrew Johnson or Herbert Hoover? Oh, God. We got the incompetent drunk versus the do-nothing-at-all fuckface. Those are your choices, people. Pick one. Results sometime tomorrow. Johnson, Hoover, you decide.